This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alyssa Gorman. This unit is freshly painted and has a brand new AC unit. Kitchen appliances are being installed by March 13th. All appliances being replaced except the refrigerator. Currently all appliances work except the dishwasher. This unit is on the first floor. It is located in Coral Lakes, which has a newly renovated clubhouse, Hartrue tennis courts, pickleball, indoor and outdoor pools and a gym, cafe, and dining room and so much more. For more information, review the details below.